In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quick sale in Fresha. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a bustling salon, knowing how to quickly navigate Fresha's sales feature can make a world of difference in managing your day-to-day operations efficiently. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Fresha website. It's always best to use an updated version of a reliable browser like Chrome or Firefox to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once you're on the site, log in with your credentials. If you're new to Fresha, take a moment to double-check your email and password to avoid any login issues. After logging in, you'll want to direct your attention to the calendar within the Fresha app. The calendar is your central hub for scheduling, managing appointments, and of course, navigating sales. It's located right in the app, providing a seamless experience as you move from planning your day to executing sales. Now, let's find the Add button. It's usually positioned near the top right corner of your screen. Once you spot it in the interface, give it a tap. This is your gateway to various functions, including creating quick sales. Fresha's user-friendly design makes it straightforward to find and use these key features, so you'll be comfortable with it in no time. Once you tap Add, you'll be presented with a set of options. Here, you'll want to select the Sale option. This action will lead you into the Quick Sale interface, where you can start adding items to a transaction. Now, let's get into the exciting part, adding items to your cart. You'll need to switch over to the Products tab. Here, you can either search for the products you want to sell or browse through categories. Fresha's search function is intuitive, allowing you to quickly locate what you need, whether it's a specific item or exploring within a broader category. After selecting your products, it's time to follow Fresha's guided prompts to complete the sale. This process is quite fluid, from choosing products to finalizing the transaction, giving you a swift and hassle-free checkout experience. Make sure you review everything on the screen to ensure all details are accurate before concluding the sale. By following these steps, adding a quick sale in Fresha is a straightforward and efficient process that helps you manage transactions seamlessly. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll soon find that adding sales becomes quicker and more intuitive over time. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials. Have a fantastic day managing your business with Fresha.